Welcome to my vlog again. Here's our
Flower kind of cloud.
vlog is all the flowers here. You see? All beautiful flowers.
Tindog. Ang cellphone tago 1, 2, 3.
Very nice. Wow! Simple but very nice. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Napakahigpit lang ng mga gwardiya dito. Hindi ka pwede magka-picture nang nang hindi ka nakamas. So, no choice. You must wear always, ma. Wear mask always. Kaya lang, ha? Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Kaya lang, hindi naman makikita yung face mo. Gawa ng lagi ka naka-face mask. Because sabi ng mamang, yung naka-red na yun, once you take out your mask, you get out of this place. So, no choice. You must wear mask. Yeah. Yeah, coming. Almost finished. Okay, we're going out now. Yeah, this is the beautiful lady.
Hi.
Subscribe to my YouTube, ah.
Ni hao ma.
Ni hao ma. Hao mao ni.
And how to get upstairs?
I'm not sure. Let's check it out
Fully
later.
grown and designed in Singapore. Enjoy your personal respite in the very own idyllic area. Ano kung basa? Wah, Mayana Lisa. Different kind of Mayana. Wah. Hindi ako nagdala. Lobat ka na? Oh, this one, oh, ang ganda siya. Kaya lang may amoy yan. Mabaho. I mean, you see? Mga exotic plants. Well, like this, oh. Before, damo lang yan eh. But now, you see, they display here. Yeah, like this, oh. Yung dati, nung araw, hinaano lang namin yan sa may, oh, this one, very nice. This one, oh, mabaho siya. Pero, very nice. You see? Very, what you call that? The design, very nice, the design. Excellent. Kumbaga sa salad, ito parang lettuce. Okay.
Sige, tuguan ko kami na lang kami ha. Ato picture si Ate Ganda ha.
Hi.
Video ka ha.
Yeah.
Lakaw. Ayaw ko.
Slow mo, ah. Like TikTok.
Tik. Okay na. Ikaw dahil ni imura i-press diri mi ha.
Wow, very nice this.
Dili ikaw sa ano.
Wow, super pa.
Ang tigwang na agihapon diri.
May bahay kubo pa, oh. Very decorative. How to maintain this kind of flowers. Although para lang siyang mga yung nasa gubat-gubat, pero ang galing, no? Inipon nila dito.
Ayaw. Sige.
Ano yan, boomerang? Okay na. May cheese. Oh, this one have rooster here. As if it's true. There, the rooster. Wow, have the house there. Very nice. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Para bigyan ko kayo ng maraming view dito sa Singapore while I'm here. Bye-bye. Take care all of you there. Bye.